Hey guys, Carlene here. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, hit the subscribe button. Oh gosh, how does do it so seamlessly? I always stumble. Yeah, and for those who are returning, thanks for coming, returning, welcome back. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to follow Lani's, or as we fondly know her as, Lani's makeup tutorial. Now, she doesn't have that many out there on YouTube, but she does have a couple, and every time Lani hits, you know, the YouTube screen, it's like movie magic, you know. Lani is my favorite local YouTuber by far. I don't think anybody could match her personality. And I'm like, you know what? Every YouTuber is doing some other YouTuber's makeup tutorial. And I'm like, why don't I just jump on that bandwagon? And I'm like, who? I mean, I could do Jaclyn Hill or Jackie Aina, you know, makeup, you know, or Nikki tutorials, all that jazz, but it's not going to be as fun, you know. And I'm like, Lani's videos are the bomb. So I will link all her videos in the description bar below. If you haven't checked them out, you'll see exactly what it is I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna go here now on my phone and pull up, you know, pull up a video where she would have done her makeup, right? And we will try and follow it, right? Let's just see. I know she has one. So we're gonna do this look here, right? So we're gonna do this look.
So I'm gonna do it today, so I could, I don't know, so I could do the video and I look how I am. So let's go.
Alright, so let's go. Great.
Blushes.
Okay, so we have the blush.
Blushes.
Okay, I don't
This
have
is
that
the
brush.
from Sephora.
It's an elf brush, Lani. That's a Sephora blush. Brush. Okay, I have this.
I'm gonna use this.
I'm gonna use this.
I'm gonna use this blush so you can put on your teeth. And I'm gonna use these. And I'm gonna use these for my eyes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do one.
Okay, I don't have that palette.
Then I'll do this. And
But we're gonna use the stealer.
I'm gonna do that so I can do it. Ooh, I'm going to get it.
Okay. She has assistance, I don't.
It's four. So I have these blushes from... Where you got this from, Mommy?
Wet and Wild Anastasia.
She has it from
Oh, I
Wild.
have a Wet and Wild. Wet and Wild.
Wet and Wild?
I have a Wet and Wild.
She has it from Wet and Wild. And I have this lipstick.
Oh, I don't have that lipstick.
I
I don't know where she put it.
And I'm wearing
I have this. This is
it's
Maybelline
so pretty.
900
So you
Plum
can
in
put
the...
on. And I'm gonna
this
do
color.
that
And
now.
oh, the new Vivids.
So I'm gonna take it off.
Okay, we need wipes, so... Okay, I don't know why we stuck here. So we're gonna wipe the face. I guess this is Lani's version of base work.
So I am ready. So let's start with the blush. Can I do that?
Okay.
I like the pattern. Like rosy. So cool,
Okay then. You see disaster already. No base work, Lani. Not all of us have the skin of a 4-year-old, you know.
Pretty.
Just saying.
Pretty. So I'm gonna start with Sephora. These brushes. Sephora.
Okay,
So
we're going
I'm
into the
done
palette
with
now.
this. It is so pretty because it has different colors.
We're done with this.
And I like it. It's so pretty that you can play it all on. So let's start with one brush.
One brush.
Yes.
What are we using?
So have the first color. I'm gonna add
So this has different
to my
colors.
eyes.
I'm going to add it to my eyes. I take in the ashiest shade.
Are you good? Are you good at this? Wait.
Yeah, boy, I'm good at this. I good at this boy. Oh, we had to bring it up. Oh, sorry, we had to bring it up. All up here. All up here.
So pretty.
So pretty. So pretty. I don't know that song. No, not getting music. Afterwards.
Ooh, nice.
I didn't think you'll see this on Challenge Street, you know. And for those who take a trade shade, I shop on Challenge.
I'm good at makeup.
Yeah, boy, real good at makeup, boy. Oh, a little fallout. Just a little bit.
So I'm going to do the eyelid. Always do the eyelid. And always do the eyelid.
If you say so, but we following the tutorial here.
Oh no! I'm gonna leave it. And this is so cool. So
Oh, okay.
so pretty.
We blending it out with our fingers.
Now I'm gonna start with the lipstick. Now put some.
Ooh, lipstick.
Do this.
I don't have that lipstick, folks, so we're going to improvise. Improvise means you make it up along the way with something else. Okay.
So let's do it again.
Yes. But we're not going to do this again, right? Because this basically is the look. This is Lani's look that we recreated. You know? I'm not slipping off my Bamsi big. Yeah. The perks of having a big Bamsi. Alright? So, yes, folks. this is the look. This is my favorite YouTuber here. She just got up. You understand? We have to do our next video together. We're going to do something cool, right?
Yeah. I'm going to do my makeup.
But this is Lani's makeup tutorial. Please try and recreate it and tell me, show me, tag me in the pictures. Tag Lani in the pictures, you know? Even though Lani does not have a Facebook account. I'm just saying. But yeah, this is the look here. Thanks for watching. Fix your face. It might stay like that. Yeah. I need to wash this while it's off my face because...
You don't have wipes.
No, I know. We're washing this off. We are wiping this off. We're washing this one off. Granted, I have some chicks out there who do their makeup like this, but that is okay. I'm not here to judge. You do you, boo, and I will keep it scrolling along. But yeah, so...
Take this wipes.
Okay, just now, hold on. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below.
Who do you like the most?
Who did the makeup look better? Lani or me? Lani or me? Yeah, let us know in the comments.
It's me because I didn't do it on top of my eyebrows. I did it on my eyes. Then I erased it. And then I take a wipe because it was going out of my eye.
Yeah, so hope you liked the video. You know, it was a fun one.
Hit that subscribe button.
And until the next time, bye.
You look like a mad woman.
I look like a mad woman. I see chicks in the office rocking this look. And it's only because they pay my paycheck, I say nothing. That's when you have bills to pay. And you have standards. Like wanting to live in a house. And wanting cable and AC. So you just keep it. You just keep it moving. You just keep it moving.